Build a local lead list in seconds with Clay's Google Maps integration. It's super fast to learn. I start by clicking Import and selecting Google Maps as my source. To set location, I can search or set a radius manually. Now to define the type of businesses I'm looking for. I can either select from a pre-made list of business types or use free text. Free text will let me enter any text to search for results. So let's search for small, non-commercial beauty salons. And that's it. Just submit and Clay and Google Maps get to work. You'll now have a complete lead list with data, including company website, location, reviews, and phone number. Then add additional enrichments, scoring, or sequencing. Here, we're going to use ClayGen to find the business owner and email address for outreach. And there we go, the perfect lead list, all from a blank page, with Clay and Google Maps. With the massive catalog of local businesses on Google Maps, we can generate local leads for almost any market in seconds, like physicians, or gyms, dental practices, manufacturers, or home improvement retailers. I'm Utkarsh, a Clay expert. Reach out to learn how you can generate and enrich thousands of local leads in seconds with Clay.